Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy your Etsy shop URL in 2026. Do you want to copy your Etsy shop URL to share it anywhere online? Here's the fastest way to do it, just by following some few simple steps. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Etsy account, and you can do that via the Etsy mobile app or the Etsy website. Now the Etsy mobile app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. You can alternatively just use your web browser and go to the Etsy.com website and make sure you sign in with your account. Now, if you haven't created an account yet, you can sign up by using your Google account for a faster sign up. Then you can create a new shop and become a seller by clicking on your profile icon. And in this drop down menu, you're going to find the option to become a seller. Click on it, and you're going to be directed to this page where you're going to finish setting up your shop. Now, once you finish setting up your shop, you're going to go back and sign into that account. Then you're going to click on the shop manager icon. And after that, you're going to, after clicking on the shop manager icon, you're going to click on view your shop from the shop manager. Then you're going to highlight the URL in the browser's address bar. You're going to find it here, as you can see. You're going to copy that URL. Then you're going to right click and select copy or press Ctrl+C. And after that, you can share it anywhere. You can pass it into Instagram bio, TikTok bio, Facebook, Pinterest, and email signature. Now on your mobile app, open your shop, and in the Etsy app, you're going to tap the share icon and select the copy link. Now always double check that the link opens correctly before sharing. And that's it. That's how you copy your Etsy shop URL and share it professionally. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.